Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this real user review on this Steelbird SBA-7 wings helmet, which is suitable for both men and women. See here, 7 air, which is in the sense this helmet got good ventilation with 7 air vents. See, at the back side, at the top, you can see two larger air vents, and at the front and the front bottom also you will find air vents. This is the top, and at the chin area also there are two air vents, and just at the forehead level there is one air vent. Okay, this is the branding, Steelbird branding here at the top, and this comes with the ABS good material. And 3 months back this was unboxed, even though it was uploaded 1 month back. The user has been using this for the past 3 to 4 months, and the user gave a positive feedback on using this Steelbird helmet, because this got double visor. This is one visor, and there is one sunglass type of visor, two visors. So he felt very comfortable, and he felt this is lightweight, and this is the air vents. You can close them at rainy seasons. And one time he slightly reported there are few drops, maybe he forgot to close the air vents, except that everything are fine. See, this is the outer visor. There is inner visor also, just like your sunglasses. There is inner visor. You can find it in the unboxing video. There we did a clear video of this overall view of this helmet. See here, this is the sun protection glasses. Okay. And coming to the long rides, he feel comfortable only, not that sweaty or not that irritation. The user expressed he did a travel like 200 kilometers on this on this bike only, this Royal Enfield Classic, with this wearing helmet, and he felt he was satisfactory and comfortable. Okay, if you do have any other question, you can ask in the comments, and meanwhile we'll check the online details also for this helmet from Steelbird. We'll go into the online details now. See here, this is the very helmet which we did the unboxing like 3 months back, and the user has been using for the past 3 months. And see here, this is the flip up helmet with double visor. You can see the double visor. See here, the double visor. And also if you want to check the online details, these are the online details. And type is flip up, suitable for both men and women. Visor present, double visor, quick release chin strap, and in the package one helmet, Steelbird brand, and this is the exact model, and inner shell for ABS for better safety, high impact ABS material. And coming to the reviews from the other users, it got 4.2 on Flipkart. Many users purchased this product and been using, and the user which I have shown you earlier, he has shown some positive review on this product as for now. And coming to the rain, he didn't experience any rain leakage or water leakage, but slightly one time he experienced slight water drops inside. That may be due to the air vents. Maybe air vents at the time maybe opened or something like that. At only once he mentioned that. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. If possible, I will be dropping the product in the view product. Check for the other details.